Desire to earn money while you sleep? Stay tuned to learn how. Imagine transforming your free time into a money-making machine. Welcome to the world of side hustles. These aren't your typical 9-to-5 jobs, but a way to generate passive income. They offer the promise of financial independence with flexible hours, all from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world. So whether you're after a little extra cash or a full-time gig, let's dive in. Now get ready to explore 50 side hustles that can really bring in the cash. First, immerse yourself in the digital world, a vast ocean of opportunities. Let's dive right in. 1. Blogging, a platform for sharing your expertise or passion. 2. Affiliate marketing. You promote products or services and earn a commission. 3. Dropshipping. You sell products directly from the supplier without handling the inventory yourself. 4. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge on a subject with those eager to learn. 5. Freelance writing. Pen your thoughts and ideas for businesses and publications. 6. Graphic design. Create visual concepts that captivate consumers. 7. Social media management. Create and schedule posts, respond to comments, and manage ad campaigns. 8. Virtual assistants. Provide administrative services from the comfort of your home. 9. Web development. Build and maintain websites. 10. Online coaching or consulting. Guide people based on your expertise. 11. Selling digital products, ebooks, courses, or templates. 12. SEO consulting. Help businesses rank higher on search engines. 13. Podcasting. Share stories or insights via audio. 14. YouTube channel. Create engaging video content. And 15. App development. Build applications for mobile devices. With just a computer and internet connection, these digital hustles can turn your free time into a money-making machine. For those with a creative flair, why not monetize your talents? Let's explore 15 creative side hustles that can turn your passion into profit. Firstly, selling handmade crafts. From jewelry to home decor, the world is your oyster. Next, photography. Capture life's beautiful moments and make them timeless. Thirdly, graphic design. If you have an eye for aesthetics, this is your stage. Fourth, voiceover work. Lend your voice to animations, audiobooks, or commercials. Writing ebooks is another fantastic option. Share your knowledge with the world, one page at a time. Other options include fashion designing, blog writing, custom artwork, music production, and even baking. Don't forget about freelance writing, interior design, personal fitness training, and video editing. If you're a wordsmith, a style guru, a health enthusiast, or a film fanatic, these could be perfect for you. These creative hustles not only provide an outlet for your artistic passions, but can also significantly boost your income. Next up, service-based hustles, perfect for those who enjoy helping others. Let's jump in. Firstly, dog walking. If you love dogs, this is a great way to generate extra income and get some exercise. Babysitting is another classic side hustle. Parents always need a reliable person to look after their little ones. Next, consider personal shopping. For those who have a keen eye for style and love to shop, this could be a fantastic option. House cleaning is another hustle that people will always need. You can set your own hours, making it flexible around your main job. And finally, virtual assistants. With more businesses operating online, there's a growing demand for remote administrative support. We also have meal preparation services, tutoring, car washing, gardening, and even home organization as great service-based side hustles. These service-based hustles can truly make a difference in others' lives, all while padding your wallet. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these opportunities today. Finally, let's not forget about the traditional hustles that have stood the test of time. These classic side gigs have been around for a while, and for good reason. They work. First up, we have real estate investment. This is a game that requires some upfront capital, but the payoff can be substantial. You could buy a property to rent out or flip houses for profit. Next, consider stock trading. With a bit of knowledge and strategic thinking, you can make your money work for you in the stock market. Tutoring is another tried and true side hustle. If you're an expert in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Lastly, renting out a spare room on Airbnb can be a fantastic way to earn extra cash. It's all about making the most of what you already have. These traditional hustles might require a bit more effort, but their potential for high returns makes them worth considering. So, there you have it, 50 side hustles that truly pay. From digital to creative, service-based to traditional, these opportunities offer the potential for extra income and financial freedom. They allow you to flex your skills, explore your passions, and cultivate a lifestyle that suits your needs. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle lies in choosing something you love and are good at. So, which of these 50 side hustles will you try? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring and practical content.